Start MDCAT Preparation Complete Guideline for Beginners. MDCAT is an important test for students how to want to become a doctor in Pakistan. I require hard work, smart study, and properly planning. Before starting preparation, understanding the MDCAT test pattern, it includes MCQs from biology, chemistry, physics, English, and logical reasoning. Create a daily study schedule. Divide your time for each subject and study constantly. Practice MCQs daily because MDCAT is an MCQs based exam. Solve past paper and practice test. Revision helps you remember concepts for a long time. Revise your topic weekly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more MDCAT tips.